Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Fair is the name of a company that lets you use an app to subscribe to a late model used car, keep it for as long as you'd like, with no long-term commitment. Routine maintenance is included and insurance can be bundled in as well. And now Fair has acquired Canvas, a vehicle subscription company that was launched by Ford a couple of years ago. Founder and CEO Scott Painter says it gives Fair more customers, engineering talent, and a presence in San Francisco.
It's a really accretive acquisition for us. It does a lot for us in terms of increased momentum, but I think it's just a reflection of the fact that subscriptions are becoming a real option for consumers who are looking to get a pre-owned vehicle, but to do it in a modern way.
There are plenty of scenarios where it makes sense. Check out fair.com for more. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.